Throughout the world, especially in the West, and boy is this amplified in the US of A, if you stand in the shoes of the working class person, as almost every single one of us does, you have the ability to see that the entire architecture of modern empire has been designed to convince you that your neighbor, who struggles just as you do, is somehow your adversary. While immigration is an issue, no doubt, especially due to climate chaos and human relocating, you are eye-rollingly and stupidly supposed to buy fasct prop that the immigrant is stealing your job, that the poor family down the block is draining your tax dollars, and that the person who votes differently than you is conspiring against you in your way of life. But if you strip away that garbage propaganda, you see a much simpler truth. No working class member is your enemy. They are in the same boat, rowing against the same current, struggling beneath the same weight. We've said it before, and we've said it again, and we're just going to have to keep saying it thousands of times. The real enemy is not the man or woman who punches the clock as you do, but the vast imperial corporate state system machinery of exploitation that convinces you to fight over the scraps while it hoards the feast. It is the manipulative voices on the TV or in these channels or in these podcasts or these blogs telling you to direct your rage sideways instead of upwards. It is the great trick. Divide the working class against itself, and it will never turn its gaze towards the true centers of power. And those centers of power, to name names, historically, still in very regressive places like Saudi Arabia, would be royals and now the few thousand godzillionaire oligarchs on the planet who puppet control the kleptocratic red and corporate state blue. And this will lead into a future insight on the purple revolution, purple being a mix of red and blue. Working class members have never been each other's enemies. They have only been made to believe so by morbidly rich Epstein human trafficker murderous pedos who profit from their disunity. This is why class consciousness solidarity is such a dangerous idea to the ruling order. And the wealthy weasel elites can't believe we haven't stopped them yet. So let's stop them. Because as working people recognize that their pain is shared, that their struggles are parallel, the illusion collapses. To never again see each other as rivals, but as kin in the same struggle. And when that recognition dawns, the possibility of collective power gains.